How to transfer video to Android to your Windows PC or laptop. Insert your cable. Once you insert, then you can see the pop-up. That means is phone is connected. Now open your uh, start menu and type photo, this option. And once you open it, then you have to go the import option, top right corner, press on your device. Then your all photos will be loading on by on. And for example, you want to transfer this video, select those video or audio and press on add item. And now here you can see I am creating a folder test. Now press on import. Now your file is importing successfully. Now go back to your PC and go to your this option, then go to your folder. Sorry, not this one, this one, and go to your test. Then your file is available here. I think this is the easiest way to transfer. So don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.